Hello student, now this is the topic of secondary cell and you know the example of secondary cell like lead storage cell, your home inverter, laptop battery or mobile battery. These are the example of secondary cell. You know secondary cell, it means in these cell there is a two process are there, the electrolytic process as well as galvanic process. Electrolyte process means what? Electrical energy converted into chemical energy. If electrical energy converted into chemical energy or chemical energy converted into electrical energy, you know the process of what? Galvanic energy or electrolytic cell. What is the definition of galvanic cell or electrolytic cell? Just tell what is the definition of galvanic cell. Chemical energy converted into electrical energy. Chemical energy converted into electrical energy, it means this is a galvanic cell, and electrical energy converted into chemical energy, it means electrolytic cell. So electrical energy converted into chemical energy, both and the chemical energy converted into electrical energy, both the process are in secondary cell. Okay, now here the first you check the left hand side. This is not an actual structure of secondary cell. So here only two electrode, but the main storage cell there is a 6 electrode in alternative direction. First anode, then cathode. First anode, then cathode. First anode, then cathode. So like 6 or 8 or 10. Yeah. So suppose you have 6 electrode. It means first anode, then cathode, first anode, then cathode, first anode, then cathode. So now in this, here is only 2 electrode. So this electrode is a lead electrode. So yeah, so what is the notation? Lead electrode, Pb. Yeah, electrode. Now this Pb react with H2SO4. H2SO4 means H plus and SO4 minus. So this Pb react with SO4, then the formation of PbSO4 here. Just check, there is a PbSO4. So it means it converted into PbSO4. Now this is a left hand side electrode. You know this is anode, an anode, negative charge. Now here this is a salt bridge likes. What is a salt bridge? Salt bridge, you know, the solution neutralized here, na? So now in this here what H2SO4 is work as a salt bridge. Yeah. So now the center is what? H2SO4 work as a electrolyte or salt bridge. Yeah. So now the percentage of this H2SO4, it is 38% concentrate. Now the next electrode is what? PbO2. PbO2 is there. So PbO2 and then PbO2 again converted into PbSO4. So PbSO4. So this is a cell notation. Yeah. Now, so here the negative electrode, so it means here the positive electrode. Negative electrode means anode and positive electrode means cathode, because this is work as a galvanic cell. Okay. Now you know this is a negative electrode. It means at anode, you know, anode is a. Now this time cell work as a galvanic cell. Now just you learned कि cell work as a galvanic cell. It means what? Galvanic means what? Chemical energy converted into electrical energy. Yeah, it means discharge the cell. So it means here is a discharge the cell. If you consider galvanic cell, so it means the discharge the cell. So now here anode is negative. Negative means it has oxidation which occur. Oxidation is there. The oxidation. So now Pv converted into what? PbSO4. So now just check. Pv plus SO4 2 minus. Yes. Then gives PbSO4. And now there is a 2 minus charge. It means here is a 2 electron. So this is what? Oxidation, lose of electron. Now at cathode, you know, in galvanic cell, cathode always in positive charge. It means reduction is there. it means reduction is there. So you know reduction is there. So here is a PvO2. So PvO2, yes. And this PvO2 react with H plus concentration as well as SO4 because it is also formed PvSO4. So SO4 2 minus charge. Now it converted into what? PvSO4, and the main reaction is 2H2O. It means here the 4 hydrogen molecule, 4H plus, and now the reaction is balanced. Now in this case there is a 0 charge, and here is a 4 plus and 2 minus, it means 2 plus, so it means it gained 2 electron. Yeah, so now electron cancel. Yes, and now there is a net cell reaction. Net cell reaction means NCR. Here is a PV reactant side plus PvO2, and you know there is a 4H plus and 2SO4 minus, it means 2H2SO4. Yeah, 4H plus 2SO4 it means 2H2SO4, and here there is a 2PvSO4 and 2H2O. Clear? Now, and plus electricity. It means this electricity is cell work as a galvanic cell. The galvanic cell, it means cell is discharge. Yeah. Now in this process there is a galvanic process. Now the next is electrolytic process. It means the cell recharge. In electrolytic process, electrical energy converted into chemical energy. So now this process is a discharge process, and now this process is a recharge process. So it means here at anode is what? Positive or negative? Definitely positive, because it works as an electrolytic cell. Now this is very important thing. In this case, anode positive, and here positive is cathode. Just focus. This is very important. Here anode positive and here cathode positive. Here anode positive, here cathode positive. So in this process, just turn this value opposite in direction. So PvSO4 positive focus. Now just reverse reaction is there. So PvSO4 plus 2H2O gives PvO2 plus 4H plus charge plus SO4 2 minus plus 2 electron. Now clear? Now at cathode means what? Here electrolyte process, cathode is negative. So just check negative, and here is a negative. So just reverse the reaction. So PvSO4 plus 2 electron, just reverse the reaction from this. So here is a PV plus SO4 2 minus. Now electron cancel. Now the final reaction is just opposite for this. So here 2 PvSO4, just check, there is a 2 PvSO4 plus 2H2O gives the same for PV plus PvO2 plus what? PvO2 plus 2H2SO4, because there is a 4H and 2SO4 minus. In this case, here reactant side, the electricity is there. It means what? Electricity, the cell work as a electrolytic cell. It means the cell is recharged. Electrolytic cell, it means the cell recharged. So both the process there. So just check, this reaction is opposite to this reaction. In this case, the 2 PvSO4 and 2H2O on the right hand side, and in this case the 2 PbSO4 and H2 is the left hand side. So in the case just you learned ki in the right hand side 2 PbSO4 and H2, it means it work as a galvanic, and here it work as a electrolytic. So now it is also known as lead accumulator cell, and each electrode contain 2 volt current. Suppose here only 2 electrode, it means 4 volt current. Suppose here 6 electrode, it means 2 6 are 12. Suppose 8 electrode, it means 2 8 is 16. Yeah. So this is a full explanation of secondary cell. Now we have the next cell, fuel cell. So you know fuel cell. Fuel cell, it is also known as hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. So in the case we pass hydrogen gas from left hand side and oxygen gas from right hand side, and here the 3 chamber. In the second chamber, in the middle chamber, it has a KOH electrolyte solution is there. KOH. Now there is a hydrogen molecules and oxygen molecules, and this KOH converted into K plus and OH minus. Okay, now at anode, first you check the reaction is what. In this case, hydrogen and half oxygen react with H2O, the formation of H2O, and the electricity is released out. It means it is high explosive. It is high explosive. Clear? Now in this case, you know, this is an example of, again, at anode. Anode is what? Negative. This is a galvanic cell. Again, there is a galvanic cell. Anode is what? The left hand side is what? Hydrogen gas, and right hand side is what? Oxygen gas. So hydrogen work as a hydrogen in the anode side. Hydrogen is there. In the cathode side, oxygen is there. So now just you check, hydrogen react with what? KOH converted into K plus and OH minus. It means 2OH minus. OH minus reaction is there. So then it is converted into 2H2O, because 4 hydrogen is there, and here is a 2 electron. So here is the oxidation. Just check, this is the oxidation. Yeah. The next other one is what? At cathode. At cathode, you know, cathode work is in the galvanic cell. Cathode is a positive charge. Yeah, the reduction is there. So again, in the cathode side, oxygen is there. So here, how many oxygen? Half O2. And this half O2, again, this half O2 react with, here's a aqueous KOH, it means water is also there. So here is a H2O. And what? The formation of what? Again, H2O plus electricity. Yeah, just H2O is there. Only H2O is there. So now here H2O and what? Just wait. Here is a what? 2 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. It means 2OH minus. 2OH is there. So 2OH minus. So here's a 2OH minus. It means it gained 2 electron. Yeah. So now electron cancel. OH cancel. So now, and 1 hydrogen and there's a 2. It means 1 hydrogen cancel. So now the formation is what? Same. H2 plus half O2 gives what? H2O plus electricity. It means cell work as a galvanic. Galvanic means what? Chemical energy converted into electrical energy. It means the cell is discharged. Yeah, what is the application here? What is the use of this? Portable power generator, heavy fuel cell electric vehicles, backup power supply, and remote area power supply. So this is used for, this is the application of the fuel cell. Okay, student? Thank you.